Plumbing design for a residential house is basically the secret sauce that keeps your home running smooth, making sure water flows where you need it and, keeps those nasty leaks away. So, look, when you're thinking about plumbing design for your home, you gotta start with mapping out all your fixtures, like sinks, toilets, showers, and laundry setups, so you know where everything's gonna go. Make sure you're not putting too many fixtures on one line because that's just asking for trouble with water pressure, trust me. Always use high-quality pipes and fittings, even if they cost a bit more upfront, since cheap stuff is gonna bite you later with leaks or bursts. You really want to keep your hot water lines short so you're not waiting forever for the shower to heat up. Plus, it saves a bunch on your energy bill. Don't forget proper venting. It's not just for smell. It keeps your drains flowing right and stops those weird gurgling sounds in the middle of the night. Protect your pipes from freezing by running them through interior walls or using insulation if you live somewhere cold, otherwise you'll be dealing with major headaches come winter. Pay attention to slope when laying drain pipes. If the angle's off, your drains will clog up way more than they should, and nobody wants that. And honestly, always check your local codes before you start, just so you don't get slapped with fines or have to redo work later. Local rules can be super picky about what's allowed. One of the biggest mistakes people make with residential plumbing design is ignoring the water pressure needs for different fixtures, which leads to weak showers and slow-filling tubs. Just size your pipes right and split up lines if needed. A lot of folks also mess up by putting bathrooms or kitchens too far from the water heater, so the water takes forever to warm up. Try to keep those rooms as close as possible to cut down wait times and wasted water. Another classic mess up is skipping vent pipes or making them too small, which can cause slow drains and sewer smells. Just stick to the recommended pipe sizes for vents and double check those connections are airtight. BigHomeProjects.com is honestly a game changer if you're looking to connect with legit local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't ghost you mid-job. For contractors, it's like this sweet hookup that helps them find steady work and build a solid reputation with real homeowners who care about quality projects.